So this is the nicest shirt I own, and it's a welding shirt. This thing's made by BOCOMAL. It is fully flame resistant shirt. It might look a little over the top, which it kind of is, but hey, I'm a peacock. You gotta let me fly, you know what I'm saying? Pearl snap's kind of a Western flavor to it, which I like as well. But it's like one of those things where if you're trying to go out on Friday night with the old lady, and she's taking her sweet time, go out to the shop, bust out a project real quick. She's ready to go. No problem, honey. Let's get out of here. Maybe throw a little pit stick on if you've been getting a little sweaty. But tons of room in this thing. I usually wear an XL, but some XL shirts I'm showing a little guttage here. You know, looking like I'm a little bit pregnant. This one's got just a little bit extra to it so you can move around. You're not going fat guy in a little coat when you're moving your arms. Roll your sleeves up. It doesn't feel like you're getting constricted. So I'm just really loving the setup of this thing. Not too short on the back, so when I bend over to do something, the boys aren't dropping pennies on my butt. Even though I do appreciate the attention, I like not getting pennies in my butt. And protects you when you're welding or running the torch or the plasma cutter or whatever, or the grinder. Just button this thing up. Make sure you're not getting those sparks down in your chest hairs. And for the price, honestly, I'm going to get a couple of these just to wear because they make other patterns that maybe aren't as flashy. But, you know, if I'm going to the store and something like this, I'm not feeling embarrassed looking like a schlub wearing some shop jacket. This thing's great for in the shop, but, you know, it's tough enough for that. But you can also wear it going out. So I kind of like that idea, just clothes that I could just wear anywhere.